No wonder curry is Britain's favourite food. I'll show you how to make a super quick and very, very healthy 10 veg curry. So turn the stove on to start with. We've got a large tablespoon of coconut oil. We're going to melt that down. Now here I've got my onion, garlic, ginger, turmeric, chilli, 2 types of chilli, one from the garden so we get that homegrown energy, black pepper, curry powder, garam masala and some raw grey sea salt. So we're going to add this into the coconut oil like so. If you don't want to use onions and garlic, you can use leeks and hing in as a replacement. They work really well. So we've got those in. I'm going to add in the spices in a second. I've just added in the chilli and the turmeric, and we're just going to now add in the salt and the curry powders. All that in. Lovely. We're going to fry this off for a minute, like so. In a cup of tomatoes, in they go, and half a cup of sun-dried tomatoes. We're going to add a dash of fire cider. Lovely. And we're going to add a cup of hot water. And now we're going to whiz this up. We're making a masala paste. That is all done now. We're going to add in our other vegetables now.
Smells delicious.
It certainly does. So we've got some kale going in, we've got some lovely mushrooms, courgettes and some leeks. Let's give that all a nice stir in. There we go. Once that's mixed in, we've now got our, we've cooked up some potatoes, some lentils, some sweet potatoes and some carrots. We've also got some celery and some super greens from the garden. So we've got some dandelion and nettles. We're going to pour those in now. We're going to simmer this now for 10 minutes. Well, that is just about done. So let's dish up. It smells good. I'm topping this now with some fresh coriander. And made with fresh ingredients like this, it's also super nutritious for you. Delicious. So you can have this as I'm having it, just the curry with some lovely fresh herbs on top. You can have it on a bed of quinoa, on a bed of rice, on a bed of cauliflower rice. With some nice fresh bread if you wanted. However you want, but it just tastes good.
Jai Shri Ram Hanuman.